Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you guys have missed seeing my face on this platform. So today's video is literally going to be an unboxing video of some raw Indian hair that I got from a company called Chennai Hair Suppliers. The name of this company is called Chennai Hair Suppliers. They are a wholesale factory based in Dubai. So if you guys are living in Dubai and you would like to see what their store looks like, I'm going to be leaving a link to their address, their Dubai outlet in the description box. So you can click on that link and then it just takes you straight to the company, and then you can ask them all the necessary questions that you want to ask them. And you can also feel free to walk into their Dubai outlet. Like I said, Chennai Hair Suppliers is a wholesale factory that deal on raw Indian hair extensions. They carry raw Indian curly, raw Indian wavy hair extensions, and raw Indian straight hair extensions, okay, directly sourced from the donors. So yeah, I reached out to this company and I purchased their new texture called the bouncy wavy hair texture. So I got 4 bundles in the length 18 inches, I believe, and a standard 4x4 lace closure in the length 18 inches as well. So I'm not going to be wasting too much of your time in today's video. So I'm just going to go straight into what I have for you guys today and show you all the bundles. So yeah, I've already unboxed these bundles because I don't have the patience to be waiting. Okay, yeah, I needed to see these bundles as soon as I got a notification that they were going to deliver these bundles to me. I was waiting at my doorstep because I needed to really see what I was working with. All right, so these are the bundles. Like I said, I got 4 bundles in the length 18 inches and a 18-inch lace closure, I believe. So yeah, let me just show you guys one bundle at a time. Let me start with the closure. I believe this is a regular Swiss lace or transparent lace closure. There's really nothing to it. But listen, when I tell you this company is really good at constructing lace closures, yo, take a look. Okay, do you guys see that this closure is not dense at all? Like, it's really not dense. You don't have to do so much plucking. So this is what it looks like. This is the wavy texture. Okay, this is a standard 4x4. This looks like this. Yo, I can't wait to make this into a wig and show you guys, the final look. This is what the closure is looking like. All right, so let me quickly show you guys the bundles. I don't want to waste too much time. So this is the very first bundle. As you guys can see, is wavy, more like wavy bouncy. Well, it's pretty soft, very, very thick as well. It's very full from root to the tip. As you guys can see, um, it's very full from root to the tip. As you guys can see, it's pretty soft, very, very soft. So this is the very first bundle, as you can see, and this is 18 inches. So if I place this bundle on my head, it should fall somewhere on this area, about that. So yeah, this is one bundle of 18 inches. It's very, 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 very thick. Once again, I got all of these hairs from the company called Chennai Hair Suppliers. They are a wholesale factory based in Dubai. So if you live in Dubai or anywhere around that axis, you can always feel free to reach out to the company and walk into their store and make your choice and get to see the hair in person. So yeah, this is what one bundle is looking like. Okay, so I'm going to dive in and show you guys the rest of the bundles. So this is the second bundle, you guys. Once again, this is also pretty full from root to the tip. Very, very soft. As you guys can see, let me put this down. This is pretty soft. As you can see, my hands are going through the bundle. Very, very, very full. Very soft, actually, you guys. Very, very soft. There are no funny looking strands. I've been looking through these bundles for like lice or knits, and this company actually does take out their time to make sure that they eliminate every single lice or eggshells or anything of that sort. So yeah, this is the second bundle And this is the first bundle. So put together, these are 2 bundles. Okay, 18 inches. Raw Indian wavy bouncy texture. This is what the Indian hair is looking like. Natural wavy. Okay. All right. So moving on, let me show you guys the third bundle. Um, Once again, all these bundles are in the length 18 inches. This is the third bundle. This one is more of like a very loose wavy compared to the other ones. But yeah, once again, this is another bundle, 18 inches, very soft. Okay, no red fibers, no um lice or eggshells, light eggs, or whatever you may call it. Nothing like that. Pretty full. So this is 1 bundle. This is 2 bundle, 3 bundles put together. Yeah, so these are 3 bundles of hair. You can see how thick this hair is, you guys. Like, yo, do y'all see this? Like, super thick. Very, very, very thick. All right, so the last bundle. Yo, don't blame me, okay? I am a sucker for full hair, okay? I absolutely love full hair. Absolutely. Like, all of my wigs, they always come in like 400, 500 grams. Yeah, I know. I'm not a 300-gram girl. I have a big head, so I like all my wigs to come really thick. Very, very good. Okay, so this is the last bundle. Um, this is what it looks like. Okay, this has to be the silkiest. Like, it's really silky. My God. I wish you guys can feel that. Like, this one is so silky. Oh my God. Can y'all see that? The camera isn't even doing justice to the way this bundle in particular feels. Like, this is the silkiest out of every single one that I showed you guys today. Silky. So silky. It's like butter. All right, so this is the last bundle. Okay, very soft, very, 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 very full. You all know the shorter the hair, the fuller, the bundle. So if you get like 24 inches or 22, 26, 28, it's definitely not going to be as full as, the shorter bundles come. All right, so all 4 bundles put together, and we have this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is what 4 bundles. You guys, like, I cannot wait to have this made into a wig. It's going to be so full. Oh my goodness. So thick, you guys. Like, very, very, very thick. Okay. So that's 4 bundles and the closure. Okay. So all 18 inches, the closure is also 18 inches. So once again, I got all of this hair from the company called Chennai Hair Suppliers. So all of the information to this company is going to be linked down in the description box. Do make sure to reach out to them. If you guys have any questions, you can reach out to them for further answers. So yeah, like I said, they are based in Dubai. So if you do live in Dubai, please make sure you reach out to this company and purchase some raw hair bundles. All right, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'm back. Okay, so please, I'm sorry for the breaking transmission. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.